Ready for severe storms? When a severe storm is in the forecast, be prepared for a possible power outage. Make sure your cell phones are fully charged. Make sure you have a storm emergency kit, extra batteries, and flashlights. Avoid the use of candles. Do not use electrical equipment or corded phones. Unplug appliances and other electronics, such as computers, and turn off air conditioners. Power surges from lightning can cause serious damage. Avoid plumbing, including sinks, baths, and faucet, as these can conduct electricity. Stay away from windows and doors. Stay off porches, and avoid contact with concrete floors and walls. When you hear thunder or see lightning, immediately move indoors. Stay out of pools or any bodies of water and away from trees and fences. A lightning strike can cause serious or fatal injury. Stay away from downed power lines. Downed lines can still be energized. Visit our website for up-to-date information on power restoration and more storm safety information. Stay safe, be aware, be prepared.